So as you can see, we have two different applications here. The first one is your wallet inside your Telegram. It is your Telegram bot, and you have your tokens here. And the next one is the application CEXP application, and that is the same balance in the application to claim. Everyone, as you can see, this is the balance of my CEXP, my mining balance from my Telegram bot. So this is my balance here in this application, and this application is the main application for CEXP. So I want to show you in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet with your bot tokens. So let's go. First of all, you need to go and open your Telegram. Where is my Telegram? Here is my Telegram. If I open my Telegram, I have my achieved. These are the things that I mined. So I will go for CEX. This is CES. I told CES like this, and I will start the application. I start the application. This is my balance. Is the same. My balance is the same with the balance there, 134, and here is 134,800. You see, 134,875, and here also is 134,875. So what you're going to do, if you want to connect to your tokens, you want to connect your wallet on this bot balance, what you are going to do is you touch tax. As you can see here, you have tax here, then you touch your tax like this. When you touch tax like this, you have completed tax. It is either if you have done your tax, it is going to be at the completed tax, and if you didn't do the tax, it's going to be here, new tax. So you touch completed here, you touch completed tax. When you touch completed tax, it is going to bring you to a place like this. When it brought you here, you're going to see register in CEXIO application. So if you have to register, if you did register already but you can't see your balance, what you are going to do, I'm going to show you what to do. Some of you had already have the application, they downloaded the application, but still they can't see their balance in there. So I'm going to show you what to do. So I have already did my own, but I will still show you exactly how I did it. Then you touch here. When you touch here, it is going to take you to the application. If you didn't connect your, if it is going to take you directly to the application, it is going to show you something like this. If you didn't see anything like this after you did this, you open the, they will show you to register on this application. If you did the register, you have to follow the steps one by one, and I will show you. If you don't know how to do it, you can comment on this thing. I will give you my the address of my group. You join my group, and I'm going to teach you step by step on how you are going to open this application, and how you are going to register, and how you are going to pass this thing. So if you come here, and if you do the registration, you go and put your ID card and all that, and they open this application for you, are going to see something like this. And if you didn't see, after doing all that, you didn't see your balance here, what you are going to do is go directly to your Play Store, search for this application and update it. You just go to the Play Store like this, you go and search for this application and update the application. Here, Play Store, search for this application CEX like this. You're going to see an update. Definitely you're going to see an update, CEX. Search for it, IO wallet. If you see it like this, my own is open, but your own is going to show you update. So you have to update it. When you update it, you go back to this thing. You come back here, you do the same thing you did before. You touch here and to direct you to the application. When it's directed you to application, it is going to show you your balance exactly. But first of all, I told you have to pass your KYC on this application. You have to pass your KYC on this application. And if you have problem with the KYC, you don't know how to do the KYC, I told you I will send you the link to my group, to my Telegram group, and you have to tell me, you have to complain, put your complaint in there, and I'm going to help you with the complaint. Okay, so the next thing, that is all. I think that's all you are going to do. If you have any problem or question, you can ask me on the comment section, and I'm going to do a video on your questions. If you have any problem with Bloom and all the bots that we used to mine, you can ask me on the comment section. I'm going to help you with it, I promise.